well, this is how we jive mass communication. I'm again with another video. You can see I have Samsung Active Watch 2 in front of me, and I have Samsung phone, that is Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. So I want to pair these two devices. This is a brand new Samsung Active 2. You see, that's why when you open, you see this is keen to connect with any phone. So let me show you what you have to do. You have to unlock your phone. Here we go. Now you have to go to Samsung wearable, search and type, as you see, Samsung wearable. Hit that one. After hitting, you will come to this option, all the available device. So here you have to hit add new device, and it's scanning for new device. Let's see. And add, as you see here, is appear already, Galaxy Active Watch 2. You don't need to do so many things, just hit this one, pairing this watch. Let's see, I hit here. You see here is already detected. Confirm, I hit here and also hit here to confirm both sides. And is adding, connecting my watch to my phone. Very simple process, shouldn't take much time. Let's see how many minutes it's taking. Watch paired is done. I hit here agree. Okay, here the term condition. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch Active 2. I select all, I hit next button, skip check for backup if I have some backup, skip for now, I don't want to do anything. Now you see I have some, take a look, swipe here. So watch is available. I swipe this side, daily activity, and the everything, swipe more, I hit the button, you see here. So watch is ready, one more button, everything is ready, almost done. From up, all the information, touch screen, try to touch with your palm. So I touch with my palm, you see, whoop, that is done. And moreover, let's see, let's go here in my phone. So all the things, watch face, everything, you have all the information available. You have notification, you see all the notification, email notification you have to active, so you get all the notification to your watch easily and faster. Is good. So this is how you can pair your Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch to your Samsung phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.